are going to love 2012 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, cruise control, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.